running ever since. There will be an extended horn, and the horn merely identifies to any other vessel that we are coming through, not that horn. Once we get past the bridge, if you look directly off the Lady Michigan right, you'll see the bridge operator, and they always appreciate the wave when it comes out.
Look. You see it? That bridge in front of us.
I don't see it coming up.
It will in a minute. They're going to hear their horn too. There it goes. You see it raising?
Yeah.
Careful, you're making my arm shake. There it goes.
Makes me feel better all this time at Sarasota where we had the wings.
Hey, I want those.
Oh, I didn't know. There.
There's one car. They're just going to have to wait there. Oh, there's two.
And the bridge operator will be right here to our right. I bet if we wave on it, he'll wave back. Beautiful. If we were to pick a time, and again, let's pick that time about 1885. Along this part of the river, there would have been as many as 17 different sawmills here. One of the things that Alpena has been known for years and years and years is wood production of a variety of kinds. Back in the day, we had our mill supply. I think it's from the north-northeast. And the temperature here is about 69 degrees. If you ever need to know what the ambient temperature is, the wind speed, the wind direction, if you're coming here to recreational boat, either use the NOAA telemetry, which is also in the World Great Lakes Environmental Research Lab, which is also in the right, and either will give you pretty accurate telemetry, although we tend to use the NOAA just because we think it probably gives you a little more accurate information. We cleared them off of the Thunder Bay River. Welcome to the Thunder Bay National Marine Sanctuary. This actually is Thunder Bay. You'd have to go out about 10 miles to get to Lake Huron. But this is all part of Lake Huron and all part of the Thunder Bay National Marine Sanctuary. The sanctuary actually is bounded by the North Alpena County line, the South Alpena County line, this shoreline of Minnesota, and the two buoys right here. The marina is not much more than 100 yards away. All you need to do is come out of the mouth of the river, make a turn down to the right, and you'll see these two buoys. Please feel free to hook up. We even have a floating line here that is for your use.
Fall over. Oh, it kind of just got. Oh, see, it's right there. See it? It won't, but you hit the circle. Hit the circle. That's called teamwork. All right, let's go.
I think it's superior. Yeah, like this
They're used to identify the channel. The two channels here will have a control depth of about 23 feet and a specific width. And while they're primarily for commercial traffic, for commercial vessels, big ones, anybody can use the channels and, are encouraged to, especially if you're coming from the lake back in through the river. Questions about the sanctuary, so let me try to answer some of them. The Orvis vessel of the Thunder Bay National Marine Sanctuary, the only Orvis wreck is New Orleans. New Orleans was a power-filled steamer that sank in
We're gonna haunt, Grammy.
We're gonna go over a boat. Shipwreck. Okay.
Grammy. Grammy.
Come up here, bub.
Okay. Need to have you watch my finger for a minute. Can't stand
How
here.
was it flying?
Can't stand there except for him.
Well, how does it go over it?
The eyes of the captain.
How does it go over it?
We will be here long enough to be sure everybody gets to
I don't
see.
really want to know.
This is called to be a steamship that began to be her demise. She lasted exactly 1 year. And then her owners decided she is of no longer any value, and literally they brought her out here, shoved her ashore and abandoned her. What you're going to see here should be a significant amount of wreckage in the form of big wooden planks and beams. You should also see a nice 10-foot diameter propeller sticking right straight up out of the sand at you. You ought to be able to see it on both sides. It'll show a little better here because of the sun. Water here is about 10 foot deep. Again, this is a beautiful place to come dive, snorkel because it's shallow, very close to shore, very close to our marina. People want to know why is this boat rotted in 1905? Clear water, fresh water, no salt, no tide, no current, most importantly, microscopic worm. That's called a bow thruster. It merely is a propeller that moves the bow right to left. If this vessel had gone down in the ocean, today it would be gone.
Yeah, over there. They might tell us. I think they scream.
They just barely. Oh, there's a fish. It was too shallow. No, they didn't. Oh, they did. Well, because everybody's sailing ship. But they turned around. They still have a string for. And they can only put 20
What's the string for?
I don't know. It was just bad.
I think it's for the shipwreck.
Let me see if I can. You guys go. You should help my best. We're gonna say those are saltwater fish. It's impossible. That's part of the ship.
That's for the ship.
No, part of the one that.
It's machinery. That's the boiler probably right there.
Somebody wanted to know if this is a place where you could.
Thank you. Huh? You see this? See it? No, would it believe me? That's part of the crane, probably. So there's a crane on it.
There's a piece of a crane you can see that big long piece there?
Yeah.
It's part of a crane. There's a crane on that ship. That's cool, right?
Yeah, it's just wheelhouse and diaper.
If your travels are taking you north and you're going to Mackinac City and thinking about going across to Mackinac Island, please do consider taking the Star Line. That's a subsidiary of the company that owns Lady Michigan. If you're going into the Upper Peninsula, maybe going to Marquette or to the Pictured Rocks, or if you're going to Wisconsin to the Apostle Islands, again, there are subsidiaries there of the Lady Michigan, and they will be delighted to provide you the same kind of good service I hope you believe we've given you this afternoon. If you're headed south toward Port Huron, again, there's another subsidiary there. This is an interesting one because they will take you out into the lake and the river, and they'll show you some of the commercial ships that are there. To get more information, there's a card